With Bitcoin right now struggling to surpass this near 3-month-long dumpathon wall, many analysts are eyeing this fresh week of January as the end of the bull gaping and the beginning of the splitting of the bear's cheeks. But the big question is, how many more baby bulls must be split wide open before the liquidations begin? I'm your host, Bobby Biggums, and if you hate seeing the bulls get absolutely milked bone dry, then you're not going to want to see what your sister is doing tonight. These absolutely time-sensitive alerts as well. Make sure to drop your comment below. It is for subscribers. Do the BTC Ledger competition. Very big. Never send anyone your crypto. I have one Twitter and one Instagram, and they are both linked below. Every other single one is a fake scam bot looking to diddle you dirty. As well, if you're interested in any bonuses, securing your crypto, getting altcoins trading, make sure to check out the links below. And without any further spladoosh, let's make a mess. Very big after an extremely exciting weekend of price action where Bitcoin went all the way down to 42,000 and then all the way back up to 43,000. Absolutely insane, very exciting stuff. Bitcoin is now yet again back at 42,000. Absolutely jaw-dropping stuff. Before we actually continue here, we actually see Cardano finally making a little bit of a move to the upside, up about, actually, if we go back even about a week, Cardano's up nearly 50%. Absolutely very exciting. I mean, it's been absolutely getting trounced and slapped and spit on. You know, it's down 65%, or it was. Now it's down about only 50% from all-time highs, so not too bad. But yeah, it's important because we have actually broken now the 21 and 50-day moving averages, which Ethereum has not done, and Bitcoin has not done either. Okay, very, very critical stuff there. And as well, it is a holiday here, or at least the Wall Street is not open today because of that. So we're not seeing traditional, Monday trading, but Bitcoin absolutely is giving us a ton of excitement. Goodness here, what is this? Wow, a 1% candle, very, very big stuff here. Before we continue though, this is very big. So Bitcoin stays in a tight range as the analyst sees potential interesting week for Bitcoin. As I've been saying, I personally think that actually towards the very, very beginning of February is when things are finally going to start showing some liveliness. So with that being said, you just have to sit tight and clench your cheeks because we're not there just yet. It may be all quiet on January 17th in the absence of Wall Street, but Bitcoin markets might not stay that way for long here. So one thing pointing to that is the highly increased leverage ratio of Bitcoin remains at an all-time high and is showing concerns that massive volatility increase will follow up. Technically, one of the ways that this could happen is if Bitcoin does break 40,000 concretely, and this will trigger a big chunk of stop losses and move that leverage a little bit. Okay, and here you see the estimated leverage ratio on all exchanges, and look at that, very, very high. This is the price and the estimated leverage ratio in purple here, and that is extremely high, as you can see. So that is one thing that I think. Well, let's be honest. I think that's what the entire market is kind of waiting on. Some kind of massive cascade, some sort of massive event, liquidations to absolutely send us one way or the other. If we get pushed down below 42 and then down to 40 and then actually get pushed, in a quick move below 40, absolutely that will trigger a lot of liquidations there and definitely bring a lot of volatility back, which is absolutely must needed. I mean, even if we look on this chart, guys, the volume has been abysmal for the past couple of months. It's been so low. You just compare this volume to any time in the past, it's very, very low. And it's often the quietest before the squealing starts. And just like my hockey coach always used to say, squeal all you want. Nobody can hear you. You're mine now. Absolutely insane here. So, yeah, other than that, let's be honest. Nothing is happening. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe to miss these absolutely time-sensitive alerts. Make sure to collect, secure your crypto, get any altcoins, trading, anything like that. Make sure to get it below. Make sure to leave your comment as well. And hopefully this week really kicks up. Tomorrow, Wall Street will be back and stronger than ever, maybe. And yeah, hopefully that can kickstart some sort of activity in Bitcoin land. It's me.